Good day to my future employer. I'm Mary Joy B. Mote, 39 years old, married. My height is 161 centimeter and my weight is 79 kilogram. I have one brother and one sister, and I'm the youngest. I have 3 children aged 15, 14, and 12. I'm a college graduate of Associate in Health Science Education from the city of Santa Rosa, Laguna, Philippines. I'm currently working as a nursing attendant at Santa Rosa Community Hospital for 10 years. I serve 10 adult patients 8 hours a day. My duties and responsibilities are taking and recording vital signs, morning care like changing diaper, changing clothes, changing linen, maintaining cleanliness and orderliness within the area. I also experienced working as helper here in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve working couple with one child, 2 years of age. My main responsibility is to taking good care of the baby, feed her, take her a bath, change his diaper, give vitamins, play, and put her on sleep. Then do some household chores like cleaning, ironing, and washing their clothes. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and give my children a better future. I'm hardworking, trustworthy, respectful, obedient, and eager to learn new things. If you choose me as your helper, I will protect, serve, and love your family as my own.